Hi, I am Ejaz Sheikh from KK Arts, Commerce, Science, Computer Science College, Kaka Saheb Nagar. Let us see the S5 BSc Computer Science course code or coursework. Electronics ELC 231, paper first, microcontroller architecture and programming. Chapter number first, basics of microcontroller and Intel's 8051's architecture. Using an Efrons 8051 microcontroller and embedded system using assembly and C programming by an author Mazidi. Let us see the special program status word register of microcontroller 8051. Program status word special purpose register. Microcontroller 8051 has 128 byte of on chip RAM, which can be addressed as 00 to 7F, while the special function registers are stored on external RAM or special function RAM locations from 80 to FF. The PSW or program status word is a 8-bit register. The PSW is basically a conventional flag register. It is bit addressable special function register. It consists 4 flags or status flags, which are carry flags, auxiliary carry flag, overflow flag, and parity flag. The PSW register is a 8-bit wide, so it has D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 bits. The D0 is P bit or parity flag bit. The parity defines odd parity or even parity when the number of ones in a accumulator or B registers are evens, then p is equal to 1 indicates or p is equal to 0 indicates even parity. When the number of ones in A registers are odd, then p is equal to 1 indicating odd parity. Then overflow. After the arithmetic operations, if the result expand, then the overflow flag affects. Then auxiliary carry. Auxiliary carry is a carry when the carry generated from 4th bit to 5th bit of arithmetic operations. Then carry flag. Carry flag indicates the carry of arithmetic operations with exit after 8-bit additions. Then RS1 and RS0. Here the RS0 and RS1 indicate which register banks are used by the programmer. If the programmer want to use a specific register bank out of 4 register banks, register bank 0, register bank 1, register bank 2, register bank 3. The RS0 and RS1 bit indicate which register bank are to be used by programmer. That is, if these bits are 00, then register bank is used. If these bits are 01, then register bank 1 is used. If register if the value is 10, then register bank 2 were used. If the value is 11, then the register bank 3 were used. In such a way, we can see the PSW of microcontroller 8051, which is 8-bit wide, which is a conventional flag register, and bit addressable special function register. Then the pin diagram of microcontroller 8051. Microcontroller 8051 has 40 pins. Out of 40 pins, first 8 pins 1 to 8s are used for port 1. Port 1 is a single function port, so we can use it as input port or output port. Then from pin number 10 to 17 are used for port 3. Port 3 is a dual function ports, that is, it can be used as an input port or output port. Similarly, some other functions are given to the port 3 pins, which are RxD, TxD for serial communication, INT0, INT1 for external interrupts, T0, T1 for counting applications, and WR and RD for reading writing applications. Pin number 9 is for reset. It is a reset input pin which used to reset the microcontroller 8051. Then the pin number from 18 and 19 are used for XTAL1, XTAL2, where the external crystal oscillators are connected for clock system. We should use a ceramic capacitor with an external crystal oscillator at pin 18 and 19, XTAL1, XTAL2. Then pin number 20 is a ground pin for microcontroller 8051. After that, the pin number 21 to 28 are used for port 2. The port 2 is a bidirectional port which can be used as input port or output port. The port 2 is also used to address the external memory or the higher 8-bit of external memory address A8 to A15. Then the pin number 29 is a PSEN, which is program store enable pin. It is an output pin, and using this pin the external program memory can be read. Then pin number 30 is ALE, that is address latch enable pin. It is a output pin, and using this pin the external address can be separated from data. Then pin number 31 is a EA pin or external access enable pin. It is an input pin and must be connected from VCC or ground. If EA is equal to 0, it means that external memory access, that is microcontroller 8051 does not have on-chip RAM. Then external memory were accessed. If EA is equal to 1, indicate that the microcontroller access on-chip RAM. Then pin number 32 to 39 are used for port 0. Port 0 is a bidirectional port which can be used as an input port or output port. Similarly, we can use port 0 to address external memory. The lower 8-bit of external memory are indicated by an address 80 to 87 using port 0. Then the last pin is 40 number pins. It is power supply pin of microcontroller 8051. It should be 5 volt. The power supply of 5 volt must be connected to the pin number 14. Thank you very much to listening me and watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.